Welcome to another powerful heavy equipment video where real machines, real operators, and real work come together on a busy job site. Today's action features the mighty Cat 390D and the popular Cat 375 excavators loading Mercedes and manned dump trucks with speed, precision, and non-stop power. If you love construction machines, fast loading cycles, and real mining work, you are in the right place. These excavators are not just digging machines, they are productivity engines designed to move huge amounts of material in less time. The Cat 390D stands as one of the strongest excavators in its class. Its large bucket capacity and heavy hydraulic pressure allow it to scoop huge volumes of material in every pass. You can clearly see how the operator uses smooth joystick control to dig, swing, and load the truck with perfect balance. Every movement is calculated. No delays, no wasted motion. The truck pulls in, gets filled quickly, and moves out so the next one can arrive. This is how real mining and construction maintain efficiency. Continuous flow. No waiting, no stoppage. Right beside it, the legendary Cat 375 proves why it remains an operator favorite. With a slightly smaller build than the 390D, it still delivers massive digging force, stable operation, and fast cycle times. The precision of this machine is impressive. It fills Mercedes and manned trucks neatly without extra spills or slow cycles. The operator knows exactly how deep to dig, how high to swing, and how to drop the material smoothly into the truck bed. While the 390D handles larger bites, the 375 works just as efficiently with fast, repeatable passes. Watching both machines in action is a perfect example of teamwork between heavy equipment and skilled operators. One of the most interesting facts about these excavators is how much hydraulic power they carry. The 390D outputs enormous lifting force, enough to rip through compact soil and tough ground conditions. The 375 is built for long working hours without losing efficiency. Both machines are designed to keep fuel consumption balanced while delivering maximum performance. Their engines run strongly, buckets stay stable, and arm movement is smooth even under heavy load. This is why companies like Interkat SA trust Cat machines. They are reliable, powerful, and cost-efficient on long projects. Truck loading looks simple, but it requires real skill. The excavator operator must place the bucket carefully to avoid hitting truck sidewalls or spilling material. Every bucket drop must be controlled. Too fast can damage the truck. Too slow wastes time. But in this video, the operators make it look easy. They maintain perfect bucket placement and fill each truck evenly. Mercedes and man dumpers come in, get loaded, and drive off in a steady rhythm. That rhythm is the heartbeat of a productive work site. The power you see is not just from the machines, it's from the teamwork. Excavator operators, truck drivers, and ground staff all coordinate their timing. One small mistake can slow down the whole operation. But when everyone communicates well, everything runs smoothly. This is real mining work, real industry, and real experience. As the video continues, notice the ground conditions, dust, engine sound, and fast cycle times. Nothing in this footage is staged. This is real equipment doing real work. The Cat 390D tears through the material like a beast, while the Cat 375 follows with smooth precision. Together, they move tons of earth in minutes, showing why these machines are respected around the world. Thank you for watching this heavy equipment action. If you enjoy real machine power, professional operators, and non-stop loading footage, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. New videos arrive regularly with more excavators, dump trucks, mining work, and massive construction machines in action. Stay tuned for more real power, real machines, and real job site performance.